A while ago, I visited a comedy club and I realised that if you can understand jokes, then it means you're really very good at English. Because a lot of English jokes use words that have two meanings. So they're a fun way to improve your English language skills. In this video, you're going to hear some jokes, and after each one, I'll explain them in a really simple way. And by the end, you'll understand the jokes, you'll have learned some great English expressions, and perhaps you'll even try telling those jokes yourself. As always, there's a free guide that you can download in the description below. But remember to check your email because we'll probably have already sent it to you. Hi, I'm Steve. Let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage our next act. I started telling people about the benefits of eating dried grapes. It's all about raising awareness. The English phrase raising awareness means to let as many people as possible know about something. You might raise awareness about the dangers of taking drugs, or that it's safer to wear a seatbelt in the car. In this joke, the comedian is raising awareness about the health benefits of eating dried grapes, which in English are known as raisins. So he was raising awareness about raisin awareness. Listen to the next joke. I bought a belt made of watches. It was a waste of time. For this joke to work, you need to know that the part of your body you wear when you put a belt on is called your waist. And the English expression a waste of time, notice the difference in spelling of waste. Well, this means that something is useless. So a belt made of watches is a waste of time. And it's also a waste of time. Let's try another joke. The local bakery burned down last night. That business is toast. This is funny because a bakery is a place that makes bread. And if it burnt down, then all the bread would become toast. And there is a common English phrase, to be toast, which means to be ruined or finished. For example,
I failed my interview, and now my hopes of a new job are toast.
So after the fire, the bakery business is toast. Now back to the club. I saw someone stealing my neighbour's gate. I didn't say anything to him in case he took offence. This joke is a play on the English expression to take offence, which means to be upset. You might take offence at the way someone behaves. And that sounds a lot like take offence. So the man didn't say anything when the gate was stolen in case the person stole a fence. Here's another. I used to work at a calendar factory, but I lost my job for taking a few days off. Taking a few days off means taking a holiday from work. But it also refers to removing days from a calendar. Let's try another joke. My bicycle fell over because it was too tired. This is a simple play on the words too tired, which means having no energy to do something. And the bike having two tyres. Notice the different spellings between tyre in America and tyre in the UK. To be honest, it doesn't really matter with this word. They're both pronounced the same way and everyone would understand you. back to the comedy club. My granddad always said, as one door closes, another one opens. Lovely man, but not very good at fitting doors. This phrase means when one opportunity is lost, another will usually appear. But of course the joke is that maybe the grandad is simply bad at fixing doors. Listen to this one. I was going to tell you a joke about boxing, but I can't remember the punchline. A punchline is the funny part of the joke that's said right at the end. And in boxing, people punch each other. I hope the next one's funnier. My wife told me I should do lunges to keep fit. That was a big step forward. The English expression a big step forward means to make good progress, like this.
Passing the exam is a big step forward in your career.
And it's funny because lunges are a type of exercise where you take a big step forward. Listen to this one. I went to buy some camouflage trousers, but I couldn't find any. Camouflage is this, and it's worn to make people hard to see. So the joke is that because the trousers are camouflage, they're difficult to find. See if you can understand the next one. My wife bet me that I couldn't make a car out of spaghetti. You should have seen her face when I drove past her. Spaghetti is this. And it's a type of pasta. So the joke is that drove past her sounds a lot like drove past her. This next one is better. Someone asked me what's the best thing about Switzerland. I told them the flag was a big plus. A big plus is another way of saying that something is a real benefit. Watching the videos on this channel is a big plus for improving your English. And this is called a plus sign in English. As you can see, the Swiss flag is also a big plus. For another big plus, check out this video. I'll see you next time.